Alright, we got her in the truck, ready to head out. We're all packed up for the Highline Trail. It's about a 4.5 hour drive to get there. We're gonna truck camp first night. It's got this new tent. What's the main feature of it?
Blackout tent.
It's a blackout tent. So in the daytime, when the windows are up, it's dark.
Yeah.
It's dark unless you want the light to come in by opening a window. It's pretty cool. 6-man tent, fits 2 people comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a 6-manner?
It is a 6-manner.
It's got the outside rain fly.
Yep.
Well, that's pretty cool. And the brand is?
It's Core Equipment over here.
Oh, that's the model. Core Equipment. Block out.
They spell.
Anyway, there's a spot right here for where you can put your extension cord into there.
From your car or something.
From a generator, if you had one. That'd be pretty cool.
Pretty awesome.
Alright, so we made it to the trailhead. We're going to have some hobo dinners over camp stoves. And then our ride, Miles and Mandy, thank you for bringing us. We're going to camp in the tent right there. Christy and I got our extra bedding for, we're going to sleep in the back of the truck so we don't have to get into our packs. That way we can get up early, hit the trail running. Alright, we're about done. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Boiling to deliciousness.
Oh, it smells so good.
Nice. Hobo dinners over a stove. Not bad. That's not red meat. That is imitation bacon bits. And seasoning, hash browns, carrots, hamburger, and a little chicken, cream of chicken soup to keep it from burning. Should be really, really good. What do you got there?
A fire starter.
What is it?
So I just took an egg carton,
Let's take a closer look at it.
set the egg carton thing off, whatever. Grab some lint from the dryer, whatever. Shoved it in
from
there.
the dryer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoved it in there really hard. And then took some candles and melted, I don't know, maybe about that much wax on top of it. So we'll see what happens. It's the fire starter.
Right on.
Miles.
Miles is going to demonstrate how we light it. Find a dry corner. So you light the corner of it. You did a test run on these a couple days ago, and how long did it burn?
18 minutes.
18 minutes on its own. That's impressive. So he didn't have to start with tinder. He just put it down and then started putting wood on it.
So let it grind it going first for a second.
Yeah, once it burns around the whole edge, then it burns like a 6-inch flame off the top.
All right then, let's see this thing in action. It's already burning the wood. Look at that.
It's already burning the wood.
Wow, it's only less than a minute.
Yeah.
It just makes fire starting a lot easier and trying to keep
And the wax.
keep finding all these little pieces of tinder. And
Yeah, and the wax like makes it somewhat waterproof.
Oh, it keeps your lint dry.
Keeps
Yes.
the lint dry in the middle, so you
Yes.
could take it apart if you wanted to.
yeah, it's true.
Yeah, I guess you could put a spark into the lint with a flint rod, huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Look, it's already burning.
Yep.
Nice
Makes
job.
it a lot easier.
It's pretty cool. Bit of a thunderstorm coming in, and we wanted to sit by the fire still. And I have this chill Gorilla 10x10 tarp that I keep in my truck, and we just rigged it up so we could still sit under the fire when it starts raining, because it's already been raining off and on already.
I know. Oh gosh.
Oh, don't burn the mallow.
Yeah, that just
Hey, I got that on camera.
ruined it for me.
The camera ruined it.
No, the wind.
Oh, the wind.
I need to fix it.
Round 2 on the mallows.
Yeah.
Seems how
Mine
we
has a little bit of
got a little charred on the first one, huh?
Really tall
Yeah, thanks,
log.
wind.
Wrap it with like something, like a cloth, and then push it up over
Dude.
the middle.
This is
Oh yeah.
Ah!
How's that s'more?
Super good.
Super good. Oh baby. So this is what happens to your Doritos bag when you go from 4,500 feet up to 10,550 feet in 4 hours. One good thing about having a puffed up bag, keeps your chips from breaking.
Yeah.
Got a curious deer right here in our camp. It's like, what is that? It's like I'm confused. There it goes. Highline Trail number 25. This is terrible.
Please tell me it gets better.